guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm Jerry from Bigelow Woodcraft, and today I have a red oak on here. It's 11.5 inches on the big side, 11 inches on the small side. This has a noticeable flare to it, but it has a crown, and the way I have it set up, I had the hump up. Yep, I had the hump up, and now I'm going to cut the belly off of it, and then I'll get my straight boards off the other two sides to keep them from twisting so much. But this red oak, I'm going to cut, I think, into 1-inch boards. Here in West Michigan, it's sawmill season now, finally. It's, what's the date today? Like March 15th, 14th, 15th, somewhere around there. And I think we're good for the season now. This week we're looking at upper 40s and 50-degree weather. So that should be good for the maple sap running into trees. We have all our buckets out. My neighbor, he boiled the other day. I'll start collecting all mine this week, and I'll start boiling probably next weekend. Maybe I'll show you some of that. But it's sawmill season, and I've got a lot of logs on the deck, and if I remember in this video, I'll give you a photo of what I have over there. I probably have 50 to 75 maple, oaks, and pines over there, and I got another delivery coming today of pine. That's pretty exciting. You get a sawmill, people will start bringing you logs. Now, you got to be careful, obviously, of yard logs, but so far everything I've been getting is wood out of the forest. One of them's a golf course being remodeled, and the other is a subdivision going in the middle of a forest. So that's where these have been coming from. So far, they've been clean. But we're going to get this going. Well, again, we're using the auto feed. It worked really good last week, and we're going to continue to use this auto feed. So let's get this cut up, and hopefully everything goes well. I haven't fixed that loose connection yet. Hopefully it stays together today. I need to solder that up. So that's a good looking log. Not real big. We'll get some boards out of it. So, all right, here we go. that's a good looking board. Not a bad looking board, a few knots. I do have a tooth out of set just a little bit, but that blade's still cutting pretty good. I just counted what I have, guys. I got a junky ash there, but I'm gonna mill that up. That ash right there, it's an ash. Then I have some big pine. Those are about 24-inch diameter. Then here's some more pine. Pine log, or pile, that's my pine pile. Here's some maple and oak. Those are all good size. Those are probably, let's check this guy out right here. 9. Those are 14, 15 inch. Even bigger, that one up there. 15, 16 inch logs. A couple big ones down there. Some of these are, actually most of these are 16 footers. Then I have a handful of cherry that I'm gonna cut maybe like 6 feet long. That one's got a big belly in it, so I'll make 2 pieces out of that, and I'll make some live edge out of the cherry. Then I have some more oak over here. I just counted, we have 76 logs sitting on the deck, and I'm getting another dump truck load today, I believe, of pine. This is all my firewood and scrap up here. I do have one oak in here that would be a real nice millable log. Even this nice little cherry, but it's pretty twisted. Might make some nice live edge boards though. Maybe I'll cut that up into live edge. But this oak right here, this is a big oak, probably 18 to 20 inches diameter, but I know it has nails in it. I can see the streaking on this end of it. There's some bluing right there, a couple spots, and the piece that was directly above, below this, I hit several nails. All right, guys, that's going to do it for this video. That little red oak did a good. It yielded 7 1x8s, 8 foot long. I'm pretty happy with that. And the auto feed's working well still. I do have a loose connection. I got to get that fixed. I just got to take it apart to do it, and I just don't feel like doing it. So every now and then I got to wiggle the wire. It's a prong that plugs into the switch that's just not crimped down tight enough. No big deal. I think I can tell when the blade's getting dull. It sounds like it might be getting a little dull. I'm going to maybe cut one more, but it's not real sharp right now. I'm going to at least get this one off. I got another log I'm going to put on it today, and I'm going to cut the bark off, the slabs off with it right now, or maybe tomorrow, I'm not sure. But I'll show that in a video as well. That's going to be a maple. So that's it. Yeah, guys, if you haven't subscribed, why don't you subscribe to the channel? I try to put stuff out weekly. It'd mean a great deal to us. We're trying to grow the channel. We're not there yet, but one day we might be up there, and so be it. You know, I'm not here to see how big I can get it. I'm just here to pass on what I know about the Frontier Sawmill to you guys. And if I can help you along the way, so be it. I think everybody should own one if you have a wood lot. They're not difficult to run. They are labor intensive, but you know, any fitness level can run these. They're, you know, the hardest part is picking them up, the slabs up. You know, granted, I do have a little bit of equipment, but they're not that bad. So get yourself a sawmill. I like the Frontier OS27, but I'm sure I'd like all the other mills as well. Everything I see out there right now, you know, Wood Miser, Woodland, Cooks, they're all good. They're all good sawmills. So Norwood. All All right, guys, that's going to do it today. You have a great day. Take care. Thanks for coming along.